Hello guys, so I had filmed this video and now that I'm sitting down to edit, I've discovered that some files have been corrupted and it's the beginning of the video files. These things happen. It's annoying, but they happen. So I still want to put this video out, so give you a little bit of context. So my wife's grandfather, my grandfather, my Nonno, has a, I believe it is a 2011 Mitsubishi RVR, and the exhaust, of course, is coming apart. So, well, his son took it to be looked at, and they quoted him, I think it was $1,000. So what has happened is the downpipe with the cat, and then the straight pipe to the muffler, or the resonator, from the catalytic converter from the cat to that pipe broke off. So everything is weighted on the nuts that hold the flange, that hold the exhaust header, the exhaust manifold to the block, and they want $1,000 for that. No. So he took it to someone that, well, to another shop, and they said $1,100. So I heard about this, and you know, being the car guy of the family, I'm not sure why they didn't come to me, but whatever. I heard about it, and I said, you know, let me take a crack at it. So I took it to JPG, which is an exhaust place, and I had them take a look at it. So I guess because my cousin has a shop that they do business with, they gave me his rate. Well, let me tell you, it was considerably less. I don't want to say how much less, but it was less than $400. Okay? A lot less than $400. Anyhow, that's the context. Let's jump in and see where we get. Computers, technology, you love them when they work. When it doesn't work, man, is it frustrating, huh? They just added that little piece. I mean, for 2012, it's not in bad shape. Could use a nice buff, cut buff polish up. But I mean, for him, it's fine. I mean, it's still operating, so that's all he really needs. He's a little hard-headed, so how do I get away with not telling him how much it cost? Because just like grandparents, they want to pay for it, and I get it, but let me do something for you, you know? Let's see how this goes over. Probably not well. I'm sure I'll lose this fight with him, but gotta try. Very nice. SF90. Ooh, sport top. What is that? Marcos? What? Take his truck for a car wash. And then, in true Nonno and Nonna's fashion, they will definitely try to have me stay for lunch, even though it's after. And they will try to pay me back, even though they, you know, make extra food and, you know, give it to us or bring it to us. Can't we just do something for you? Oh well. That's the cat and mouse game, I guess, that we have going on. Alright, well, back at the house, ready to give it to him. Thanks for tuning in and watching Initial Speed. I'll let you know if I won the argument on not letting him pay. Till next time, Initial Speed out.